There's a big old, I don't know, big old high pressure gas line. We're up here hiking. Bunch of people up here. Some kids sitting on rocks. Tree P, Paradise Falls, Lizard Rock, Box Canyon. We're up here in Thousand Oaks. Myself, Momo. We got Miriam over here. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, Angie. Say hi. Anyways, we're in Thousand Oaks going to the Paradise Falls. My understanding, the water comes from a sewer treatment plant, and people swim in this Paradise Falls because they think it's so beautiful. But I'll show pictures of the treatment plant and the falls. Hopefully there's people in there. I'm gonna ask them if they know where the water's coming from. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, see you in a minute. We just came up to a teepee, Paradise Falls, and Wildwood Canyon Trails. There's a teepee right there. Hopefully no one's taking a poop in it. Don't fall, Angie. Thank you. So we just got to the teepee part of the trail. Let me go walk in there, see what's in there. You wanna hold this bag, fool? So there's a big old teepee they built here. Where people can sit down, tell their Kumbaya stories or something like that. So we're in this huge old teepee. This is in Thousand Oaks. People can sit there, tell their stories, kick it. Angelica, look it. You gotta talk to the world. Come on. Grumpy ass.
Hi.
Are you enjoying the trail?
This is a wonderful day. Look forward to maybe doing it weekly.
Getting closer to the waterfalls, you can hear the water. Cool little trail. You see something right there, it looks like water. It's all sewage water from the sewage treatment plant. So we're hiking down here. Oh yeah, there's the waterfall right there. This is Paradise Falls. It's like hidden away from everybody. So we're here on the edge of something with no fence. Just careful. Oh look at the sewer. What did that say?
What? Sewer.
This water contains submerged objects, rocks, debris, and partial fed by urban runoff. So right there it tells you warning, but should tell you also sewer water. There's a sewer treatment plant just right up the hill here. That's all sludge. So all this is from the runoff of the treatment plant.
It smells like shit.
It smells like what?
Shit. And I wanted to swim in it.
She wanted to swim in it. You got people over there ready to fall in. Hopefully they fall in. Hopefully I have enough camera. That's how the fall looks. beautiful, but it's all sewer water. Pretty crazy stuff. And this one. I simply know the water from.
No, you asked me. You asked me. Where's Mom?
That's pretty crazy, huh? Anyways, how I said, this is all sewer water, runoff water, everything. All the bad stuff. Sorry about that. My shoulder's starting to hurt from injury. Painful. That's all sewer water, huh?
I'm thinking it's recaptured water from.
There's a treatment plant right up the hill right here. The sewer and the runoffs, everything.
That's probably why they have the no swimming and no.
Yeah, the little signs. Yeah. But people actually swim in this thing.
So.
Yeah. I think it's bad.
I'm gonna pitch over
There, now you know why. It's sewer water.
Yeah.
Yeah, Adrian, get out of the water.
It's beautiful, beautiful waterfalls. This is Thousand Oaks Paradise Falls, but this water comes from a sewer waste treatment center up the hill right here, just right up the hill. Comes here, but most of the time when it's real hot, you catch people in here swimming. Even though the signs say no swimming, all that, you still catch people. A lot of people do not know it's coming from a sewer treatment plant. Like I said, it's beautiful out here, but
You're gonna be soaked, I know it. Good thing I brought extra clothes. I'm watching Fiona, she's about to go down.
I can do two.
What's on the other side?
are you ready? How are you kicking it? Are you ready to jump in? Don't know. Whatever you want. It's a pretty dog. Oh, that's not ours. They're pretty dogs. Cool. Look at, no swimming, no climbing, but people still do it.
Oh, that's nice. Wow.
There's another trail. But it's sure a beautiful trail up here. Ow, I gotta switch arms because that one hurts. Here we are. And here we come across another sewer lateral. Right here. It says sewer. Sewer. You saw it live right here. She just farted on top of that sewer plate. But sure beautiful.
There, that that way.
Those ain't real ducks.
Those are real ducks. They're moving.
Those are decoys. Over there, across.
Behind you.
I don't like snakes.
Oh shit, there goes the warning. There's the ducks. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. This guy's gonna make tacos out of you guys. Quack, quack. Run! Jump on the Lincoln logs and run! Goodbye, duckies. And the great, beautiful, green, luscious water of Thousand Oaks sewage. Such a beautiful place. Too bad it has to be sewer water. Oh, what is this? Said the Momo.
What is that? What's your handle?
Unit Y structure. And you can hear water inside it. So it has to be something with sewage. You can hear it inside there. Cross. A lot of little ducks. Oh, that's pretty. Hello, how are you guys? Hello.
We're hiking.
It looks like our path just in. Oh, nice. We have another trail. Movies. Look like something from a movies, dude. Look at that. Fucking beautiful.
Look at the tree.
Just waiting for a killer to come out of the forest.
Angie, look at that tree.
I just shake it.
So if there was any fish, you'd be able to see it.
I think they'll have 3 eyes or 4 eyes.
Like off of The Simpsons where everyone dumps stuff into the
Yep.
lake and then the rabbit gets a bunch of eyes.
You got it there?
It's so cute! Wait,
Who?
the river.
Oh yeah, right there.
There's a snake. I don't know, I almost stepped on it.
There's a rattlesnake?
No, it's a little snake.
Huh?
It's a little tiny
It was
snake.
green and yellow.
Where'd you go?
Shit. Dad,
Oh, there he
stop.
goes.
I almost died.
Yeah, it's a snake.
I almost stepped on it.
Be careful, the snake.
Yeah, I almost stepped on it. Where?
He went that way. Yeah, he's a little one.
This was the best. I should have brought him if he was still alive.
Treatment plant. So there you have it. Treatment plant where all the water goes. There's one up the hill before it goes to Paradise Falls. Another one down the hill before it goes, I believe, to the ocean. Not too certain. I gotta look at Google Maps again. So we made it here.
All this stuff has poop in it?
Treatment for the fecal matter. Beautiful sunset overlooking the falls as we make our way up.